guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turn my twist outs into braid outs. It's really simple and easy, so let's get started. So first, I'm going to be using my Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner because this is the product that I originally used for my twist out. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this product on my hair. And I'm not going to comb or brush through my hair because I want to leave that texture that formed from my twist out. So I'm just going to leave the curl pattern there and I'm just going to apply the leave-in conditioner and then I'm going to start to braid my hair. Once I get to the bottom of my braid, I'm just going to twist it around to give it a little curl at the bottom. Alright, so this is what my braids are looking like, and I will see you guys tomorrow to show you guys the results. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I'm getting ready to take out my braids, and I'm using my Curly Bell hair oil. You can use any oil that you have, and I'm just going to put it all over my braids and then I'm going to begin to take them out. Now, my nails are not even that long, but I was struggling with taking my braids down with these nails. That's the only thing about having nails. I cannot really do my hair as well as I like to. So, but I got it done. Alright guys, so once I finish taking out my braids, I am going to begin to separate my hair. Okay, so now that I finished separating my hair, I'm going to take my Edge Booster Edge Control to lay my edges. Alright, so I really love how my hair turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!